Hi everyone, Sarah from Tumbalik here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you our new workbenches. You're probably familiar with the Mini and Maxi that we had during the circuit breaker period, and these two are actually revamped versions of them based on what we liked and didn't like about the older versions. So you can see the Mini has not changed too much. It is still a stump. We just have a different, the main worktop is now the end grain, so you don't have to rotate it around so much. And what we call the Maxi, and it's now called the Wombat, is the one that looks pretty different because it has more of a workbench feel, a bit longer, greater surface area. Basically it's shaped better to accommodate full-size furniture. This is obviously much more suitable for small objects like the tissue box or carving. They also both now have this shoulder, which is very helpful for anchoring workpieces down. Say if you were carrying an object, you can simply just lock it against the side over here. We still utilize the hold-fast system of WORKHOLDING, so the Maxi comes with 2 of them and Mini comes with 1 of them. In this video I'm just going to be demonstrating how we use the workbenches, and the tools I'm going to be using are things that you can find in our home kit. Oh, another thing is that they are also both very mobile now. In the past the Maxi was a little bit too heavy to move around, but the Wombat is actually quite light. You can just fold it up like that and then it sits nicely in the corner. The Mini is much more self-explanatory because it's very portable and you can kind of place it on top of the desk and use it there as well if you want, which I will show you later in the video. The Wombat has a pretty big range of work holding properties, and over here you can see I'm holding down a very thin stock. I tend to use a spacer block in this case to prevent denting my workpieces, which the hold-fast can occasionally cause. You can also hold down very thick stocks. The thin stock earlier and this thick piece are probably the floor and ceiling limits for work holding. If you're working on something that's a bit larger, so there's a larger surface area like cabinetry, tabletops, the Wombat is able to balance it out. You can see it's well supported over here whether I'm holding it horizontally or. And if you wanted to work on ridiculously long stock like these, maybe for bar stool seats or beams, the Wombat is able to accommodate that length. So you can see that you can secure your workpiece in almost any way, and the worktop makes a very good surface for solid work, including heavy chopping of the chisel. Because the Mini stump is more suitable for things of a smaller scale, if you're doing a small box kind of project or the tissue box that we have, you can just secure it in the fashion that I'm using over here. Either surface works fine. And you can see over here I'm securing a pretty thick stock. It's actually 45 in thickness, but the Mini can handle that. Alright. And that's it for our introduction to new workbenches. Thank you for watching, and visit our website if you'd like to purchase your own Mini or the Wombat. We also have additional information there, such as the recommended tools required to go with the workbenches or additional items that you might find useful. See you there!